dear, how are you? Wow, and I've been calling you for like how many days now, and for about 2 days your phone is not going. And at least you would have called me, flashed me or something now. Is everything alright?
James, how would I be okay? I asked you for an amount of money for a few weeks now, and you've not been able to give it to me.
Ella.
And you're asking me if I'm
okay. Ella, listen. Ella, I told you to give me time. Just a little time. I'm going to give you this money, okay? I promise.
You know what, James? That's your problem, eh? Your mates are busy riding cars, and you're here trekking.
Ella, it has not gotten to that now. Ella, see, I'm going to give you this money, okay? I promise. I'm going to give you this money.
You know what, James? If you don't get money, listen to me. If you don't get money, hide your face.
Ella, things are hard now.
When you're ready to give me the money, call me.
It wasn't to that now. I'm going to give you the money.
You know what? When you're ready, just let me know.
Ella, please. Ella, come back. Ella. What have I done to deserve all these ones now? Eh? Ella!
You think you can talk with me? Eh? You think you can talk with me? Hey!
Ogalalo.
Will you stop there? Where do you think you are going to? Eh? So you think you can fraud me of my own money? Not to be angry with you.
Ogalalo, please give me a few time. Give me a few time. I will pay you your money.
I disabled Jesus Christ for your eye. Eh? Do you think I am Jesus Christ? I'm Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Do you know how much is a bag of cement? Will you shut up? Do you know how much is a bag of cement? So I use my blood to complete this house. See, I cannot see anything else. I'm giving you 24 hours ultimatum to pay my money. Except
I understand, Ogalalo.
Wow, Paul, so you mean your landlord sent you packing because you couldn't pay your rent?
I'm just confused. He could not just give me 1 minute. I need to play with him.
Man,
this makes me confused.
Man, so what will happen now? I think you just go get your things and you can come stay with me for the meantime. I mean, we can manage here, though it's not that, but we can manage.
And Stevie.
Of course, now, do you have any other option?
James, you're really nice.
It's okay, go chill, George. It's okay. It's okay, stop being emotional. It's okay. Because of friends for now. It's okay. You do the same for me, I'm sure. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
I just hope so.
Don't worry. Hey Ella, how are you? Wow, you're looking so pretty.
Can't you see she don't want in her life anymore? She don't need in her life anymore.
A
poor, rich boy like you. She don't need that kind of person.
Wow.
No, saying her money be fine, Bobo. Or haven't you heard when money enter love is sweeter?
Right, chill. See, let me tell you something. The downfall of a man is not the end of that man. Guy, leave this be. When they do what they do, leave them. Move. Guy, leave this be. No?
Ella, do you think what I did to James was right?
You did what every woman would do. See, my sister, you need a good-looking guy that can take good care of you, not that lazy youth.
Okay, but are you sure we are doing the right thing?
We are doing nothing but the right thing. You better get that boy out of your head though. It's not a past tense. Thank you.
James, I am tired of this life we are living. James, I am tired of this life we are living. We give birth to us in poverty, living in poverty, friendship in poverty, and will die in poverty. James, I am tired. I cannot continue like this. I'm telling you. I am tired, James.
It's okay, Paul.
I'm tired.
For God's sake, it's okay. Oh, you think I'm enjoying this life too? It's okay. See, do you think I like being hungry or what? It's okay. Let's just take things easy. I'm tired of this poverty too, but there's nothing we can do. We're trying our best. For God's sake, just calm down. Okay, what do you want me to do now? What do you want me to do?
The children of God suffered violence, and violence take it by force. Me, I, Paul, we take this by force.
Calm
I'm telling you
down,
this. I'm not joking,
calm
James.
down.
James, I'm not joking.
Calm down now. I've had you. Okay, so. What are we doing now?
James, I am not joking.
Us?
I will take this by force, James. I, Paul, we take this by force. Okay, James, you got going on. Yeah, I want to see someone. So maybe I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, I know. I'm very, very sorry. Remember I told you I was going to check one job vacancy, right?
Yes. Have fun now. What about it?
My God, as usual, you know how things are and disappointment come today, come to
This country self, I'm tired.
See, I'm just getting this country.
Okay, now I want to see someone over there now. Maybe I'll come back and I'll see now. No worries. Hey, sorry. Excuse me. You know, you've actually been of help to me and you're important to me. Many things have been in place, but I just hope God will help us. So I don't know if I'm going to see someone over there. I'm not having anything to do with that. I need your help.
You know what is on now.
I know, but you're a man.
Guys, I don't even if I have anything. Let me just take some. This is like my last card.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
James, man. Alright, I'll be back soon. If only Oruba can help my situation this time, I'll be so grateful. Oh God, Olumba help my situation because I am tired of it. The great Olumba, the spirit of wealth. I greet you, sir. I greet you.
My son, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Baba.
What do you want the great Olumba to do for you? The gods of 7 seas, the God that speaks fire, and the gods that see with the 7th eye.
Baba, I am tired of poverty. Baba, I have been living a wretched life. Look at me now, look at me. My mates are riding cars, my mates are in the cities. I'm still in this village, Baba. I am tired. I want money. I want wealth, Baba. This is my problem.
Oh, kanako, dudu myomyo. My son, what you seek? What you shall have, my son.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
Oh, kanako. But, my son, you will see the word if only you can do what the great Oluba asks you to do.
Anything, Baba. I am ready. Anything, Baba.
My son, the great Olumba requests for that close person. That person that is very close to you.
Oh, Baba, I don't have anybody closer to me. My parents are not alive no more. Neither my mom or my siblings or brothers. There's nobody.
Oh, kanako, dudu myomyo. Who is James?
This is my friend. He's the only one closer to me. He's like a brother to me, Baba.
Oh, kanako. My son, take. Give him.
Okay, Baba.
Give him this bread to eat.
Okay, Baba.
My son, make sure he eats it. Failure to do so, the wrath of Olumba will be upon you.
I do, Baba. Thank you very much, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
I just ate bread. You can keep it.
Oh my God. This bread is original bread.
I know, but I just ate bread not long ago. I'll just keep it. Maybe you will eat it later.
It's an original bread, James. You check it up.
Boss, since when did you become this caring? I'm not eating now, it's why first.
James, this is a good bread. You need to eat this bread. Okay, take a bite from it.
I'm okay. See the remaining of the one I ate. It's not finished. I'm okay. No, for real, I'm okay.
So you mean you're not going to eat this bread?
Okay, I'm not going to eat bread. I'm okay. I just ate bread not long ago. I couldn't finish it, sir. Just keep it. I'll eat later. Or maybe when you're hungry, you can eat.
I went far.
I just ate bread. I'm okay.
I went far to get to this bread. You cannot say you will not. Okay. Take a bite from it. Take a bite, please. Please. It's this bread. It will kill you before. I'm begging you. You've never been like this before.
Why not cry? Because I don't want to eat bread. I'm okay now.
No, I don't want the bread to get wasted.
It's not wasted. Please, you can eat it later.
I'm not hungry. Eat this bread, please.
When I just ate, man, I didn't even finish one. Look at this bread. Look at this bread. Paul, I've seen bread before now. I know this bread. You buy it every day. I know. I'm okay, Paul. I'm not refusing your bread. I say you should eat it. You should keep it all.
Just take it.
See, if I eat this bread now, I'm just wasting it. James, before we sleep at night or something. So okay now.
You don't want to eat this bread?
I just ate bread now. I told you. Come on, Paul. Stop being dramatic.
James, you don't want to eat this bread?
Paul, it's okay. I was already drama for Paul, it's okay. I'm just keep it, we'll eat it later. Paul. Are you okay, Paul? Paul, what's coming out? Paul, what's coming out from you? Jesus, Paul! So you wanted to use me for ritual? Paul, after everything. No, Paul, it's a lie. Paul, I thought we were in this together. Paul, it's a lie. Paul, you can't do this. So, Paul. No, I can't believe it. Man, this life, God, you can't call anybody a friend again. Paul was my best friend. God, after everything we've been together, God, after everything, look at the sacrifices. Look at Paul. God, you would have just wasted me, Paul. I told you, take life easy. Take life easy. You wouldn't listen now and say you're gone. Just like that. Just like that. You're gone, Paul. Paul, no, I can't believe it. This world is a wicked place. Man, Paul. Ella, how are you, Ella? Angela, how are you?
I'm so sorry for everything I did. I had about Paul, right?
Yeah, Paul is gone.
Sorry for all the everything. Sorry for my friend.
It's okay, Angela, don't worry. It happens. I understand, it's okay. Don't worry, everything is fine, okay? Everything is fine. And I missed it. I missed your company. Hope you're fine. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, alright then. So come and give me a hug now. Cool, that's okay.